video, I discussed chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4 important problems. That was part 1 of my sequence that has been prepared for you for the board exam 2021. So last video में आपसे शेयर किया गया है chapter 1 to 4 important problems, chapter wise marks distribution, and this is our second part of that video जिसमें आपसे डिस्कस किया जाएगा चैप्टर 5 ऑनवर्ड्स इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम्स जो आपको बिल्कुल भी स्किप नहीं करनी है एंड सो दैट यू कैन गेट गुड मार्क्स इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. So here for continuity and differentiability from exercise 5.1, that is very important exercise. इसमें से आपको जो क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे से करने हैं, these are from 5.1, question number 2, then third question, we can take C and D part. After that, there are questions of same type. ये सब 6 to 12 सारे same type की problem है. So you can try 7, 9 and 12 along with 6 question. ये आप कर सकते हैं. Then we have most important question 17, 16, 18, 20, 23 and 26 onwards, all questions up to 30. Then we have 32 and 34. So these are the problems from exercise 5.1. Now come to exercise 5.2. Here we have important problem, question number 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are important. If we talk about exercise 5.3, examples, don't miss any example of this exercise 5.3. But from exercise you have to learn this table very carefully. ये आपको learn करनी है. ये आपकी help करेगी पूरी exercise questions को करने में. Here sin inverse is not given, tan inverse is not given. ये आपको और extra add करना है. So from this exercise, question number we have 4, 9, 11, 12, question number 14 and 15. These are important problems. Now this exercise, logarithm based problem. This is very important, 5.4. So from this exercise we have to do question number 5, 7, 9 and 10. You have to do these problems. Logarithmic differentiation. This is very important exercise. Example, don't miss any example. इसके आप सारे examples करेंगे. From exercise 5.5, you will do question number 7, 8. Then we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11th problem, we have question number 14 and 16 along with 15th problem. These are very important problems. Now next exercise, this example is important, example 37. Now from exercise 5.6, question number 5, 7, 9, 11. These are very important problems. Exercise 5.7. We have question number 5, 11, 12, 13, 16 and 17. Mean value theorem is not the part of your syllabus. Now if we talk about miscellaneous, then do all miscellaneous problems. That means miscellaneous example you have to do all. Example 47 is very important. 48 is there, important example. Then from miscellaneous exercise, ये पूरी miscellaneous बहुत important है, but I will tell you more important problems from this miscellaneous, and these are question number 6, 9, 12, 15 and 14. These problems are very important from miscellaneous exercise of chapter 5. Now come to chapter 6. From chapter 6, exercise 6.1 is not the part of your syllabus. 6.2, so here you have to do question number 4, 7, question number 9, next 11, 15, 17 and 19. These are important problems. Now from tangents and normal, examples you will not miss from any of the exercise. Examples आप सारे करेंगे. If we talk about exercise 6.3, then we have question number 3, 5, 7, and then next page we have 11, 13, 16 and 20, 19 and 20. These are important. Then we have on this page 22, 25, 26, 27. These are from tangent and normals. Approximation 6.4 is deleted. Maxima, minima is very important. All examples you will do. Second derivative test, first derivative test, you must know how we do them. So when we come to exercise, all questions are important, but in exercise we have question number 3, 8, 9 and 10, 15, 18, 20, 21 onwards to 25, all are important, along with 26 question. Last word problems, I should say, starting from question number 12 is also important, I told you. From 13 onwards, all word problem up to 26 are very important. Now on page 235, that is miscellaneous, you will do examples. This example is also important. You will try other examples also. You will not leave any example from any chapter unless it is not a part of your syllabus. तो आपको सारे examples अच्छे से करने हैं. Now miscellaneous exercise. Here we have question number 9, 8. Then we have 12, 17, 14th also, 19 and 20. So this ends your chapter, that is chapter 6. Now come to integration. All formulas you have to learn from integration chapter along with examples for exercise 7.1, and from this exercise question number 10, 16, 18, 19 and 20. These are important. From next exercise, you have to learn all the formulas and examples. Same I am saying. From the 7.2, you have to do question number 9, 10, 14, 17, these problems. And from these, 23, 27, 31 and 36, 37, then 39. Next exercise, all examples. From 7.3, we have 9, then we have 16, 17, 22, 23 and 24. Integrals of some particular functions, all you have to learn with example. Then we have exercise problem. So from exercise 7.4, you have to do question number 3, 4, 9, 14, 15 and 23 along with question number 25. Now partial fraction is very important. Question comes shortly from this part. So ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से करना है. You have to learn all these forms of partial fraction. Then you will try all examples, very important examples. Then from exercise 7.5, question number 4, 7, 9, then we have 14, 16, 17, 21, 22, 23 with 18. Now integration by parts, all examples. Now exercise. Here question number 10, 11, 14 and 15. These 4 problems from 7.6. And now on from these problems we have 19, 20 and 22. Integrals of some more types, all examples. And from 7.7, 2 and 9. These are sufficient. 7.8 is not in syllabus. Now integrals with definite limits, all examples. And from exercise question number 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20 and 22. These are important one. Now next exercise from 7.10, all examples. Here question number 2, 5 and 8. These are important. Some properties of definite integrals, all examples. Exercise 7.11. 7, 17, 18, 21. These are important, and also you should try question number 3. Now let's come to miscellaneous. You must do all miscellaneous examples. These are very, very important and have been explained in my videos in previous lectures. So now if we talk about miscellaneous exercise, important problems are question number 5, 8, 11, 17, 19, 20, 24. Then we have question number 30, 32, 33, then 37. These are important and expected problems from miscellaneous of integration. So you should do at least these problems so that you can pass your exam properly. Now next chapter, application of integrals with all examples for exercise 8.1 and questions from exercise 8.1. Those are important, are question number 4, 7, 9, 12 and 13. These are the problems. Area between two curves is not the part, ये आपको नहीं करना है. So here, but you should try this example 9. This is not the area under two curve. This is the area bounded by lines. ये आपको करना है. Now from miscellaneous example, you have to do all examples which are not including two curves. तो ये नहीं करना है आपको example 13, but you will try other one. Now from miscellaneous exercise, we have important question number 2, 4, 5 and question number 10. These are very important. So you have to do these questions from chapter 8. Now chapter 9. Differential equations. Exercise 9.1, all previous examples, and from here question number 4, 6 and 7. And order of differential equation. You can do this one. Question number 12. Now we have 9.2 exercise which you have to do. From here question number 4, 6, 10 and 12. You have to do these problems. Now this exercise is not the part. That means 9.3 is cut. Now 9.4 with all examples. Questions important are from this exercise. Question number 12, 13, 17 and 19. Then we have these word problem 20, 22 and 23. Homogeneous differential equation is very important topic. All examples. Homogeneous has two form, x upon y and y upon x. So you have to do both. And from exercise 9.5 you have to do properly question number 8, 10, 12, 13 and 15. These are important questions. Now linear differential equation of this type. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Integrating factor form. This you have to do. Other form is not the part of your syllabus. So you have to do examples related to this form only. And now if we talk about exercise 9.6, then important problems from this exercise are question number 12, 15, 17 and 19. These are important problem. Now miscellaneous, all examples related to given syllabus. And from miscellaneous exercise you have to do question number 6, 10. Then we have important problem 15, 13, 15 and 17. So this way we completed some questions from differential equations. Now next chapter. From chapter 10, vector algebra, you will do complete exercise 10.1 because it is easy exercise and 1 mark exercise, and all examples before 10.2 and 10.1. Now from this exercise you have to do question number 2, 3, 6, 10, 11, 14, 15. Then we have question number 17. Now come to next exercise, all examples you have to do. Then from 10.3 you have to do question number 6, 8, 11, 14 and 17. These are important. Similarly for next exercise, all examples. But from exercise 10.4, question number 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. These are the problems. Question number 10 also. Now miscellaneous examples, all you have to do. And from miscellaneous exercise, important question are 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then we have question number 18, 19. These are important one from this chapter. Now next, three-dimensional geometry, all examples before 11.1, and from this exercise, question number 2, 3 and 5. All examples before 11.2 and the topics which are not removed. From exercise 11.2, we have question number 4, 7, 8, then we have question number 14, 15, 16, 17. This you have to do. Now our next topic is plane. All examples, related example, and important, very important example is this one, that is foot of perpendicular. This example is very important. Now if we talk about the exercise, you have to do other examples also. Now from exercise 11.3, question number 6, B part, 7, 9, 11. These you have to do. Miscellaneous example, those are included, you have to do all. Now from miscellaneous exercise of this chapter, we have from miscellaneous of this chapter, we have question number 5, 9, 11, 14, 15 and 17. From next page, we have important problems 19, 18, 20 and 21. This you have to do from this chapter. Now come to next one, second last chapter, From linear programming problems, you have to do only bounded problems. So from first exercise, important are question number 5, not 4, we are doing 5 and 7. इसमें से आप इतना कर लीजिएगा and question number 10. This is enough. And from next exercise, all examples. And from 12.2, important problems are question number 4, question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. These are important problems. Now if we talk about miscellaneous examples, you have to do all examples. These are very important, and main one is transportation problem. And from miscellaneous exercise, important are question number 5, then we have question number 7, 8, and then last problem is question number 10. Ye you have to do properly. Now last chapter, probability, all examples before 13.1. Surely one question of conditional probability will come in your exam. So we are doing here question number 4 and 5. And then we have question number 9, 10, 12. Then problem of 14 and 15. You have to do these problems. Now if we talk about next exercise, all examples, and from 13.2, question number 3, 6, then we have 7, 9, 10, 14 is very important, 12, these you have to do, 17 and 18. Now Bayes theorem is very important topic. You should not miss this topic. All examples you should do. And after example, all examples are equally important. And from exercise, important one are question number 4, 7, then we have question number 9, 10, 12, 13 and 14. You should do these. Random variable and probability distribution up to mean, up to this table only, where you have to create a random variable table जो आपको बनानी है किसी क्या के चांस हो सकते हैं. So here we have from this exercise 13.4, we have, you have to do up to question number 9. आपको 9 तक सारी प्रॉब्लम करनी है. फ्रॉम 9 अप टू 9th, 9 इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 7. Now from miscellaneous, all example related to topic which are not removed. And if we talk about exercise, so from miscellaneous exercise of chapter 13, important one are question number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then we have 11 and 12th is last. Now here we have also question 13, 14 and 15. यहाँ पर आपको कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे से. Question number 14, 16, 18 and the last problem 19. So these were important questions from each chapter, chapter 1 to chapter 13. You must do these problems well in order to get good marks in your board exam 2021. So all the best for it and do your best. Thank you.